Hi and welcome to Chamber Talk, the video version. Just wishing to go through a few events that we've got coming up here, or a few community events that are going on as well. First off, on November the 16th, here in Buena Park at 7 a.m, there's going to be the 44th annual Buena Park Mayor's Prayer Breakfast over at the Doubletree by Hilton. Then the same day, Thursday, November the 16th at 5 p.m. over at Fullerton at the Muckenthaler, there's actually going to be a ribbon cutting. They've just finished with a new building and you're all invited to attend that. Again, please RSVP online. On Friday the 17th, we've got our second part of the 101 for the Chamber portal. This is open to all Chamber members. You're able to join us online and we're going to go through how we can help you market your business more and the further reach you have by utilising the Chamber's portal. And then on Tuesday, November the 28th, Century 21 Discovery, they've moved their location and they're now down at what we like to call the Century 21 Discovery Tower in Fullerton at 1440 North Harbour Boulevard, Suite 225. They're going to be having a ribbon cutting at 4 p.m. that day. Again, if anybody wishes to attend some of these events or find out more about the community events, if you go to noccchamber.com, you hover your cursor over Get Involved and a drop-down menu will come. Click Events and it'll bring all these up. Some of the events just gives you more information to read more and a link to go to RSVP or sign up from those sites. And if it's a Chamber event, you'll be able to RSVP right there on the website. Thank you very much for listening and we'll see you again soon.